All right, and welcome to the external CSS instructions. The last thing we're doing in week 10 is to take all that CSS that you've been accumulating in your style section, and we're going to remove it and put it in its own page and link it back to the index page. It keeps things a lot neater, and we did that mainly because we wanted to keep it right there where you could see it. But we need to move it before we go on and start creating our other two pages, because all of the CSS for all three pages will be kept on this one CSS page. Ooh, that sounds like a lot, but it really is not as bad as it seems. All right, so let me go to the code and make it a little bigger so it's easier to see. And this is the code I made it the actual size so that we can see it a little better. And we're going to take all of this stuff that's in between the style tags, and that's all it's telling you over on this side, and we're going to put it on the CSS page. So before we go on, you need to make sure that you have named your page main.css. So click on this if it does not say that, and rename it main.css. All right, it's now named the correct name. We're going to go back over. Now here's what I always suggest is don't cut it at first. Make sure you get it over there safely, and then you can go back and cut it out. So I'm going to grab it all and copy it, making sure I do not grab the style tags. I'm going to copy, go to the main.css and paste it. All right, now it's all over there where it belongs. So I got it there safely. Now I can get rid of it on this side. I'll cut it out. Ooh, that was scary, huh? And I will get rid of the two style tags as well. All right, that's step one. Now, if you'll notice, if I look back at my page now, oh my goodness, I'm back to square one. All my CSS is gone. Not really. It's over on that page, waiting for us. We just have to make the two pages talk to each other. And it's all done with one little link. And if you look over here on the instructions, it shows you the exact link right here on step 3. And it's gonna, all you have to do is copy that, come back over here and paste it. And it consists of 3 things. The link, but it's the rel, which tells it it's a style sheet. Type tells it it's a text/CSS. And then the href is the address for it. So now if I call up my page, it's back. Wow. And that's all there is to that assignment. I'm sorry the video is not going to be one of those long ones, but that's all there is. So if you look down on the grading sheet, it says you're going to remove all the CSS, including the style tags, and you place them into an external CSS file. And the CSS is linked to the HTML file and the style still shows the link is working properly. So that's all there is, folks. You have made a successful page. Look how much neater our HTML page is. It's a lot neater now. And all of the CSS is over here in one place. Now when we get ready to add onto it for the other pages, don't mess these up because it will mess up your first page. Anything that's going to be different, you'll add at the bottom. You can put in a nice comment, and a comment is written like this in the CSS, a slant and an asterisk, and you could do something like page 2. Oops. And then that way you can just, it's a reminder of, you know, what is going to be down below that is going to be everything that is on the second page. And you could do the same thing, leaving a little room for items that will be in there. And you could do the same thing, make a comment for page 3. And that way it'll be ready for you. All right, now.